friends, welcome back to my channel. So let's talk today about 3 mistakes that you make when you catch a fever, cold or a cough. So first one is continue eating. If you continue having proper meals when you are having a fever, cold or a cough, your body's energy would be utilized in digesting that food instead of healing itself. So let your body heal. You can keep a fast for 1 or 2 days, or keep drinking coconut water, juices, or soups, and do not have proper meals. Second, not giving your body enough rest. It is in rest that your body is able to heal itself properly. So, if you continue scrolling your phone or watching TV, your body is not going to get enough rest. So, rest means physical and mental rest both. And third is popping a pill immediately as soon as you catch fever. So when you pop pills, your body is not able to heal itself naturally, and pills do not heal the root cause of the problem. So in most cases, your body is able to heal itself naturally. So please give your body some time to heal itself. And please share this video with your friends and family so they can also benefit from this video. And thanks for watching, my friends.